What up? So we are back in New York. Shout out to you guys for enjoying all that Hawaii content. Like I said a million times already, if it wasn't for you guys, I would not have been able to go. And now that we're back in New York, I have so many things going on for the Jimny. I cannot wait. So first and foremost, tomorrow I'm gonna go get tint. So I'm gonna put 5% around here, 35 on the front. Took out the spare tire cover. Took out the back seats just so the guy has so much room to work on it. We're also gonna do carpet here and the headliner this week. And most importantly, we're also going to wrap the car. I wanted to do something similar. I spoke to you guys about this a couple times, but I don't like when someone has like a navy car like this and they wrap it red. So then when I open this, all this is red, you know, like all over here are red, the door seals are red. To me, that's kind of tacky. So I'm gonna do this color, which is still kind of loud. So you can see right here, it's like a nice midnight purple / navy. When you get close to the car, it looks just like a normal blue. Then when you step back a little bit, depending on the light, it has like a little bit of green. I think this is gonna look absolutely fire. I'm doing it myself, so that should be a fun experience. I'm doing it on Thursday, so we'll probably watch it on Friday or maybe even Thursday. So that's very fun. And all my parts from Suzuki, all things JDM, MKT, they're all here. So I cannot wait to show you guys this huge haul. But besides that, the Jimny was fine. I went to a K-Truck meet yesterday. I didn't really get a lot of footage, but I'll insert a clip right here.
Jayo, is that you?
And like I said, my goal kind of for today, I was doing it off camera. I wanted to just get a lot of the stickers off. So if you guys remember, I had a sticker here. I got that off. There was a sticker here. I got that off. There was a sticker here. I got that off. And this I'm gonna leave. I think it looks pretty sick. And then I want to get this off. That completely. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with the rust as far as the wrap goes. I know this car is never really gonna look like show car material, but I want it to be a reflection of WayBeforeTheFame. You know what I mean? Like, I want to actually get this car wrapped. I'm doing it myself, so it's not gonna be perfect, but I want it to look good. So I'm actually gonna sand all this. At first, I was just gonna put it right over. Let me see if I can find an area. Yeah, at first I was just gonna put it over like this, but then he was showing me, you can't really tell, but he was showing me like it'll show like right here, like imperfections like that. And I was like, all right, I don't care that much. I have a sander right there. I'll just get some 220 grit. I'll do the whole hood. I'll do the roof. I won't really touch much here because I don't want to go too crazy. I'm going to see if I get this sticker off. If I can't get the sticker off, I might just sand that, but we'll see what happens with that. But yeah, I just kind of want to sand everything up there. Just have it looking nice. Then after we wrap it, I'm going to find a creative way to get WayBeforeTheFame on here, because wrapping is one step. We got to promote the brand. Also, anyone that has a hood scoop for a Jimny, let me know. Mine is broken here and on the other side, so I need to get a hood scoop. I'm going to message some people in the forum. And I need some new mirrors. I don't know what mirrors to get, but mine are just crapped out and they broke. Where are they? They're over there. Let's go over the parts. Actually, this is going to be probably the main part of the video. I kind of wanted to show you guys all the parts I got. Maybe I'll install some of them in today's video. So the first two pieces we got are a shift knob from a Suzuki Samurai. So the one in the car right now is an OEM one, and it's completely metal, so on hot days it's like impossible to shift. I think this looks nice. Nice little OEM shift knob. And then since I got that, I was like, I might as well get this guy too. This is how you go into like high-low and 4-low and all that stuff. So these two go kind of match together. I think it's gonna look pretty clean in the interior. I don't even know what most of this stuff is. I know what I ordered, but I don't know which one is which. So it's Christmas for both of us right now. This looks like, this could be my taillights. Ooh, these are my taillights. So these look exactly like they're off a G-Wagon. Oh my God, they look so good. Look at that. This is going to make the car look fire. So yeah, we got the new headlights from a Miata, or just the round headlights in general. And then these taillights, perfect. These two, not too bad. And then this, look at this. Oh, this is for my gauges. So in the center console, you know how like the Scott edition and some of the, oh, I was about to say, do not tell me this is silver. About to fuck up the whole theme of my interior. But you know how, I'll show you guys in the Jimny in a couple seconds. This is going to go, I'll show you guys later, I don't want to mess up the video. This is used though. Oh my God, look at the condition it's in. It's supposed to be brand new, but we're just gonna go into the next item. This is gonna be dope though. I'm gonna put a boost gauge and maybe like a voltage gauge or like an oil pressure or something like that. We'll get into that later. Boost gauge coming very soon though. This is the same exact thing, but initially I wanted to just take off the whole thing, so I got a 3-pillar So I got a 2 because I was like, realistically, I don't need 3 gauges. Like, what would my 3rd gauge be? It'd probably just be like the time or something. Like voltage, boost. Watch this one not be scratched at all. Oh no, it is. But yeah, same exact thing, but 3. I don't think I need, if anybody wants this, hit me up. This, oh, I know what this is. These are my tow hooks. So I got tow hooks in yellow because I didn't think I was really gonna wrap the car. Well, the whole car. I knew I was gonna put Wait for the Fame on it, but I got these in yellow because I was like, you know, I paint my calipers yellow. I'll probably put the decal in like white and yellow or something like that. This is not even yellow. This is kind of orange. But anyways, this is my orange tow hook for the front. No idea where this, no, this is for the back, this is for the back, this is for the back. No idea where this is going. You can clearly see that it was just painted. So I guess I'll just repaint this again myself. And then we have a front tow hook. Is it 1 or 2 though? It's only 1. I don't know if I should have got 2, but we got the same exact thing in not yellow. I'm gonna show you guys the picture on the screen right now. I'm not even trying to be a spoiled little brat, but it was supposed to be like bright yellow, and this is not yellow at all, so. Whatever, this is for the front. I've seen a couple people mount these in the front. And then my, ooh, 2 more things actually. This, super unnecessary, but I don't know. I kind of just want to buy it. I want my Jimny to really be cool, guys, as you can tell. I've been putting a lot of money into it. If you've been following the channel, I did not do this to any other car. But I got this little metal door lock thingies. They were like $5 on eBay, like whatever. We'll put that in the car today actually. And then now for my most excited part. I don't even know what's gonna fit because it's for a J22, but I think it's, oh, it's obviously not new. I thought it said new though. But it's this center console piece right here. Now, let's walk over to the Jimny and see how most, if not all of these things fit. So from my understanding, the J22s come with this. It comes with 2 cup holders. I've been preaching this over and over since my first K car. I love cup holders. I'm assuming it just goes like this. Get the seatbelt out the way. Boom, it should look something like this. I probably gotta push this down, back or forward, one of the either ways. But my car had nothing before. And now that I have this, it's kind of dope. Now I have 2 cup holders. Now I can just put my phone here. Now I just have storage in general because like I said, I had nothing here. And then all I have with this, but we're going to show you what we're going to do with that right now. Now this is how this works. Boom. This looks fire. Gonna have a boost gauge right here. Like I said, maybe a voltage, maybe oil temp, maybe something. I'm not 100% sure. But boost gauge coming very soon. And then like I said, this goes right here. I figured if I was gonna get this and it had like the little orange accent, I might as well get both. Cause like right there, that would have looked fine. But like, why not just get, you know, a little bit of this too? I hope that fits. We'll do that later though. I don't really want to put that in, but I'm really happy with this looks like. I was tired of having that little empty space. And like sometimes I'll put like a receipt or like something for my phone or something there. So that's why I was like, whoa, once I found this, had to buy. These things are pretty straightforward. I mean, we would just twist this. Take your replacement. And boom. Nice little Jimny accessory. I also have seat covers coming very soon, so don't even mind this ugly interior. This is gonna be completely black leather with like red accents. And I'm gonna put like the Wait for the Fame logo right here. It's going to look fire. I'm not gonna do this now because I'm gonna wrap the car, but this looks like it'll be this side probably. Come on, this is not a baby G-Wagon. Come on, this is going to look amazing once it goes on the car. And it's gonna be wrapped, bruh. And then lastly, my non-yellow tow hooks. So this one is for the rear. I probably put it, I don't even know, honestly. We're gonna have to find a location, but I want it to sit like right here or something like that. Like I would love for it to just go right there. I don't want it to really stick out on the bumper like this or nothing. I would love for it to go like right here. Just like a normal car. I don't want it to be in the center either. I want it to be a little offset, similar to my Miata. And then the people who put it in the front, from what I've seen, has been like this. I've seen most people, I think literally right here. Like maybe on this or on this. I think they do it right here. This one I'm not really crazy about with the way it looks. Maybe I'll put this on the rear if possible. But yeah, I'm not really crazy. And most people I see, they have it here and here. But the fact that it's not yellow is throwing me off. That's why I got yellow fog lights and everything. So maybe I'll paint these black or whatever the case may be after I wrap the car. All these little like exterior mods, even the interior, it's kind of the last of my worries. What I really want to get done is the wrap. Once I get the wrap done, then at that point I'll start focusing on the interior. We'll do the headliner, we'll do the carpet, we'll put the seat covers on, we'll do the boost gauge. To me, all that stuff is, I don't want to say easy, but not as crazy as like wrapping a car. Like, I'm not nervous to wrap the car, but like I'm excited. It's something I've never done before, and like I said, it's a reflection of the brand, so I want it to come out good, but I want to do it myself so I can have even more pride in doing it. But I'm probably just gonna end this video here. Like I said, I had no intentions of really making a video. I'm kind of just sanding and doing like little boring stuff that I feel like you guys don't really want to see. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.